Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this Mac toolbox. This damage was actually caused by a scissor lift installing some overhead shop lights, and it actually ran into the toolbox here. As you can see, it's scratched. The customer was okay with dealing with the scratches and doing some touch-up of some kind to it afterwards, but he wanted the dents out, so we were able to do this using Paintless Dent Repair. Here's a look at some of the leverage points and tools I use in this type of repair. I'm actually using what's called a flat bar. It's actually called a dent dial to push this damage back out. Here it is, the finished results. As you can see, we're able to get this metal back out into its original shape using our specialized paintless dent repair tools. So we don't always get to work on vehicles all the time. Sometimes we get to work on different unique things like this. So if you've got something with any type of dent or ding in it, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching this video.